Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. Today I stopped by my local Joann and saw 50% off along with 30% off on all Diamond Art Club and Diamond Dots kits, so I couldn't resist and ended up spending my money again. So what I bought was all the white AB diamond dot drills that they had in stock. It is $1.50. The original price is $3 if we round it up. I also purchased this beadery storage for $5. The original price was $10. And all Diamond Art Club kits are on 30% sale. So if you have Joann nearby, hurry up. They have this event going on. And I purchased 2 kits. And in this video, we are going to unbox both of them. But before we do it, I just wanted to show you a beautiful, picturesque view from my window. Spring has come. And I love these gorgeous pink blooming trees. Here they are. So the original price for Eiffel Tower night was $30. If we round it up, $29.99, so $30. I purchased it for $18.40. As to this one, the original price was $20. I bought it for $12.26. I was actually hesitant whether to purchase it or not, especially this kit because it was open, the box was open, but the drills and the canvas were in there. So, but one more reason why I was hesitant was the size. It's 25 by 23 centimeters. It is a very, very, very small kit. And you know, small kits usually turn out to be pretty pixelated. So I ended up purchasing it because, first of all, it was 30% off. It was the only kit there available of this design on the one hand. And on the other hand, when I tried to search for it online to see the completed result, because, you know, Diamond Art Club, a website, is famous for displaying the completed kits. And I wanted to see how it looks because usually it looks better than on the canvas. And I couldn't find it, and it made me think that this is a pretty old design, that even Diamond Art Club website does not have it anymore. So I purchased it right away. It's like antique kit, you know. So it is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 10 by 9 inches. It contains 23 colors, which is pretty many for such a small kit. And the printing is very nice. Very easy, recognizable symbols, good quality fabric canvas. It is soft on the back, and I guess paper cloth on the front, but beautifully framed. That kit came, the name of the kit is Lantern Rose. This kit came with the stickers, symbol stickers, and a standard set of tools, a tray, heart-shaped wax, a three drill multiplacer, and a hand gripper, and a blue stylus, along with Ziploc bags. Now let's look at the drills. The drills are gorgeous. Look at those bright colors. Beautiful. So they actually have 2 AB colors, the green one. I will definitely replace white color, this one, with Diamond Dots white ABs. A lot of shades of pink and green. And this kit also has pink AB color. I actually didn't even notice it when I was recording the video for my Russian speaking channel. Very nice. I wouldn't expect it to have 2 AB colors. So in the end, this kit is going to have 3 AB colors: green, pink, and white, which I'm going to add from here. So hopefully it will turn out nice. Now, as to the next kit, it is also a full round drill diamond painting kit. The size is non-serrant. I'm not sure what's wrong with Diamond Art Club when it comes to sizes. They have a lot of kits with non-standard size, and it's going to be very hard to find the frame for them. So in any case, 13 by 16.2 inches full round drill diamond painting kit. And although this kit is bigger than the previous one, like look at it, almost twice bigger, this one comes only with 14 colors. Now, I cannot say that I fell in love with the design and I purchased it. No, I'm pretty indifferent to France and Paris and Eiffel Tower and etc. But I actually thought that it would be fun to play with it and enhance it with AB diamonds and gold metal diamonds from Diamond Dots. So if I can replace one color or maybe even two colors, but most probably one with golden metal on the Eiffel Tower itself, I think it would look gorgeous. Plus I'm planning on adding some white ABs on the stars and yellow ABs on the moon. So we'll see how it's gonna turn out. And actually, while I was trying to find the completed result from this kit online, I also googled this one and I was very impressed with the final result. It looked beautiful and I bought it right away. So way better than on the canvas. That's why I'm hoping that this one will turn out more detailed than how it appears on the canvas. So now the quality is great, the poured glue, the symbols, everything is perfect, the canvas itself. Now let's look at the drills. Okay, I have problem with cutting it, so it doesn't fit on the in my screen. But so 14 colors, a lot of the colors are pretty like gloomy and dark shade, but this kit comes with two AB colors. First of all, this gorgeous gray color. Amazing. I really like it. So let me show all the colors. And it actually comes with yellow ABs. I was thinking of replacing red and yellow drills with or yellow ABs on the moon. So I actually don't have to do it because as far as I understand, it already comes with ABs. And I will replace one of these colors on Eiffel Tower with golden drills. I don't know, maybe this one, most likely this one. I have a few golden metal drills from Diamond Dots of different shades. Some of them are darker, some of them are lighter, so I need to find the one that matches this one the most. Even this one matches it, so I just need to find maybe a little bit darker one, and that's it. And I think it will look gorgeous. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have Joann nearby, visit it. Most likely your local Joann is also offering 30% off on all Diamond Dots and Diamond Art Club kits. Thank you for watching and see you soon.